Just enter your email address and your name and get a chance to win $25,000 absolutely for free. Just enter your email address and get these products and 115 cents, that is $1.15 absolutely for free. Get these products and 115 cents, make up to $450 and get 40 cents for free. If this one is also same, this one is also same. Enter your email address and get $100 of gift card for free. And here you can see get 324 cents, $3.24, just by doing register and confirm your email address, and it will cost nothing, and reward, you will get reward in 1 minute. Hello guys, welcome to this new video. This is Lucky Basal from Digital Mastery YouTube channel, where we talk about money making opportunities and tips and tricks to boost your income. Today we are going to talk about Ysense. Ysense is a system where you can complete surveys, offers, and do affiliate marketing to make money online. As you can see, I have earned $12.98. Along with that, I have already got paid $10 within few days, and $2.88 is pending, which I can withdraw within few days. Because the minimum threshold of the withdrawal is $5. Here you can see surveys, complete surveys. You can complete different surveys and get paid. I'm not getting that much offer because I'm currently in Nepal. If you are from United States, Canada, Australia, and other countries, tier 1 and tier 2 countries, you will get lots of offers. You can complete. Here you can see play games and earn. These are all the games you can play and earn. Here you can see if you download NordVPN, you will get 1500 cents. That is $15. Here you can see all the other offers. Some of them are very low and some of them are paying well. Here you can see if you download this game and complete level 21, you will get 450 cents. If you download this game, you will get 95. This game 150 cents. Let's go to other offers. Here you can see as we talk this about, these are all the offers you can complete and get free rewards and cash reward. Here you can find a lot of different offers which cost nothing to you. These are all offers for free, no cost. These everything are absolutely for free. You can load more and more here. Here you can see this is the game. If you play this game, you will get 144 cents. If you play this game, you will get download and play this game, you will get 144. This one will pay 240 cents, and this one also pay 240 cents. Play and reach level 23 within 14 days, 18 cents, 30 cents, 10, 10, 19, 10, 23, 122 cents. Play and reach level 20 within 14 days. You will get just play and earn money. Let me show you affiliate program of this system. You can see for each referral that becomes active, you will earn sign up commission of 10 cents to 30 cents. And once your referral on $5, you will get $2 of bonus. That is quite impressive. And every commission they make, you will get 20% of that commission. Here you can find different methods to take your money into your wallet. Here you can see Amazon Denmark, Amazon ES. I don't know about that. Here you can see Pioneer. Pioneer is worldwide accepted. Skrill also worldwide accepted. I use Skrill to take my rewards. PayPal is also worldwide accepted. Here you can select which one you want to. This system only pays a little that you can earn in your free time. If you want to make more money, you can join the Super Funnel Hero system. This one cost only $7 to start, and you will get $5,215 of bonus if you join through the link in the description. This system has over 25,000 action takers. You can see some of the testimonials. of the user of the system who are happy with the system. You can see all the information about this product and creator of this product. If you join through the link in the description, you will get $27 of value t-shirt, the funnel hero system t-shirt. And you can see all the bonuses here, over $5,215 of worth only for $7. This was for today, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.